ये लड़की कौन है? Who is this girl? Who is this girl? ये लड़कियां कौन हैं? Who are these girls? Who are these girls? वो लड़की कौन है? Who is that girl? Who is that girl? वो लड़कियां कौन हैं? Who are those girls? Who are those girls? ये लड़का बहुत शैतान है. This boy is very naughty. This boy is very naughty. यह दरवाजा बंद है. This door is locked. This door is locked. वो बागीचा प्यारा लग रहा है. That garden looks lovely. That garden looks lovely. ये लड़का अहमद है. This boy is Ahmed. This boy is Ahmed. वो लड़का अली है. That boy is Ali. That boy is Ali. वो लड़के गांव से आए हैं. Those boys have come from the village. Those boys have come from the village. वे असली बिल्लियां नहीं हैं. Those aren't real cats. Those aren't real cats. ये aren't are not का शॉर्ट है. इस कार को क्या हुआ? What happened to this car? What happened to this car? क्या तुम इस लड़के को जानती हो? Do you know this boy? Do you know this boy? वो गमले लाल रंग के हैं. Those pots are red in color. Those pots are red in color. ये बच्चे क्यों हंस रहे हैं? Why are these kids laughing? Why are these kids laughing? आपने वो घड़ी कहाँ से खरीदी? Where did you buy that watch from? Where did you buy that watch from? ये सब्जी बहुत टेस्टी है. This vegetable is very tasty. This vegetable is very tasty. ये लड़का अहमद है. This boy is Ahmed. This boy is Ahmed. मैं उन किताबों का ध्यान रखूंगा. I will have I will take care of those books. I will take care of those books. वो मेरी पसंदीदा जगह है. That is my favorite place. That is my favorite place. मुझे ये मोबाइल खरीदना है. I have to buy this mobile. I have to buy this mobile. क्या ये सभी चॉकलेट मेरे लिए है? Are all these chocolates for me? Are all these chocolates for me? वे सपने सबसे बुरे थे. Those dreams were the worst. Those dreams were the worst. वो आदमी दूर है. That man is far away. That man is far away. यह पार्टी बहुत बोरिंग है. This party is very boring. This party is very boring. वो शहर काफी छोटा है. That city is very small. That city is very small. वो लड़कियां बहुत चालाक लग रही थी. Those girls were looking very clever. Those girls were looking very clever. ये मेरा दोस्त समीर है. This is my friend Samir. This is my friend Samir. तुम ये खाना क्यों नहीं खा रहे हो? Why are you not eating this food? Why are you not eating this food? वो हमारा घर है. That is our home. That is our home. वो काले वाले मेरे जूते हैं. Those black ones are my shoes. Those black ones are my shoes. वो लोग तो कल तक आएंगे. Those people will come by tomorrow. Those people will come by tomorrow. ये फूल मुरझा गए हैं. These flowers are dead. These flowers are dead. ये बारिश मुझे उदास कर रही है. This rain is making me feel sad. This rain is making me feel sad. मेज पर वे चाबियां किसकी हैं? Whose are those keys on table? Whose are those keys on table? तुम्हें वो दिन याद है? Do you remember that day? Do you remember that day? ये डब्बे ऊपर ले जाओ. Take those boxes up. Take those boxes up. वो पेड़ बहुत सुंदर है. That tree is very beautiful. That tree is very beautiful. ये सारे सेब सबसे ज्यादा मीठे हैं. These apples are sweetest of all. These apples are sweetest of all. ये लेटर किसका है? Whose letter is this? Whose letter is this? वो लड़के गांव से आए हैं. Those boys have come from the village. वो मेरे माता पिता नहीं हैं. Those are not my parents. Those are not my parents. वो मेरा लैपटॉप है. That is my laptop. That is my laptop. ये साल मेरे लिए अच्छा नहीं रहा. This year hasn't been good for me. This year hasn't been good for me. मुझे यह हार शादी के लिए चाहिए. I want this necklace for Mary. I want this necklace for Mary. ये मेरा भाई नहीं है. This is not my brother. This is not my brother. वो तुम्हारा था. That was yours. That was yours. वो सब लोग मेरे मेहमान हैं. All those people are my guests. All those people are my guests. ये चाबी किसकी है? Whose key is this? Whose key is this? ये मेरा है. This is mine. This is mine. ये घर अब मेरा है. This house is ours now. This house is ours now. Thank you for watching.